Hello friends, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to do a tutorial on URLs in Java. We are going to study about the HTTP protocol and how to get started with the URLs in Java. So now we will jump to our code. First we will import our classes. First is java.net. And second is import java.io star. So these are the two classes which we require. Now we will define our public class. URL prog. Now the main method, string and arguments. So now we have our main method also defined. And most of the time with network programming methods have to be able to throw exceptions. So we will throw exception in the main method. Now we are going to define an URL object. Equal to new URL and the name of the URL like http www.9lessons.info. It's a weblog. So now we will print out some of the basic information about this URL. First we print out the protocol used, the URL dot get protocol. Next system dot out dot println. Now this we are going to print the port used for communication. The URL dot get port. Next we are going to print the host. Host concatenating the URL dot get host. So we have created this URL object, the URL, and we'll print out the three information. First is protocol, port and host. Now we'll open our terminal and compile it. URL prog.java. So now we have compiled it without any error or warning. Now we will run it. So you can see in the basic information, protocol is HTTP, and in port it is showing -1, and in host it is showing the URL, that is www.9lessons.info. It is showing -1 here because we haven't tried the port like this 80 here, because HTTP by default work with port 80, so we do not need to define it. But if we define it here, then you can see the difference. Now it is showing the port 80. Sometime our web server may work on a different port number, so if it work on like 80, so then in that condition we will specify it when the port number is different from the default port. Now we will create a URL connection object. to get connected to this website and get some basic information about the website. The connection is equals to new, not new, URL object dot open connection. So we have created a URL connection object, the connection. Let me correct it. The connection. Now it is correct. Now int. Now we'll get the content length. Content length should be the connection object dot get content length, the content length. Again a variable int c. Now we will check the value of content length. If it's not equal to 0, this means that it have some data. Okay, else system dot out dot println. So no content, and here system dot out dot println content is available. So now we will save it and see. So you can see the content is available for this website or the URL. So now we will see how we can print out the content. For that we just need to create an input stream object first. Let me uncomment this out and write it to content and the new line. Now we will define our input stream object. Input stream URL input, the name of the input stream object, the connection dot get input stream. Now we will create a loop to print out the information or the content. C is equals to URL input dot read. Okay, if it is not equal to 1, so let me check out the number of brackets. 1 2 3 and again 1 2 3. This means we have correct number of brackets. Now we have the character in the C in the integer form. We will print it out in the character form. System dot out dot print. This time only print, no println. If we just use println, then it will print a single character in new line, so we will not get the information correctly. So we write char so now here we have printed the information. Now we will close the connection. URL input dot close. So our program is complete. Now we will run it again. So no error or warning. Now I can see we have got whole lot of content. Now I will stop it from here explicitly because it's loading a huge quantity of content, and we can just go above and you can see the content is some unknown characters. let me just change this URL because it's giving us more information. We'll change it to Google and see the information. Again same content, and I don't know why I'm getting this unknown content. Or I can see some of the content which you want to see. So you can see we have got the HTML code, the source code of the page. So I think that's all for this video, and if you like this video then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till yet, and hit that bell icon to get the latest videos. And please share this video with your friends if you like it, so that your friends can also see it. Thank you. Have a nice day.